I'm going to put my winter survival skills to the test by trying out some dangerous safety secrets you need to know. Let's see if I can make it through the season unscathed. In this video, you will learn essential winter safety tips that could save your life and keep you safe during the cold months. Every winter, countless accidents occur due to icy roads, snowstorms, and other hazards that people often underestimate. It's alarming to think that just a simple slip on black ice or a misconception about hypothermia can lead to devastating consequences. The truth is, many of us take winter safety for granted, and that's exactly when disaster strikes. Whether you're a seasoned winter enthusiast or just someone who wants to stay safe during the cold months, it's crucial to be aware of the potential dangers that come with this time of year. From frostbite to avalanches, there are so many ways to get hurt if you're not prepared. When the snow starts falling, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of the season, but it's essential to remember that winter is a force to be reckoned with. With the right knowledge and precautions, you can enjoy the snow without putting yourself or others at risk. So, let's dive into the essential safety tips that every winter lover needs to know. You will explore critical safety measures such as how to prepare your vehicle for winter, the importance of dressing in layers, and tips for safe travel in snowy conditions. From investing in a good set of snow tires to knowing how to spot the early signs of hypothermia, every single tip can make a huge difference in your winter experience. By being proactive and taking the right precautions, you can minimize the risk of accidents and injuries and make it through the winter season unscathed. Preparing your vehicle for winter is one of the most crucial safety measures you can take. It's not just about looking cool with some snowflake patterned seat covers. It's about survival. Having the right equipment, from snow shovels to emergency blankets, can be the difference between life and death in case you get stranded in a snowstorm. Dressing in layers is another often overlooked safety tip that can save you from hypothermia or frostbite. Wearing thermal underwear, a warm hat, and waterproof boots can make all the difference when you're out in the cold for extended periods. The key moment will focus on a real-life incident where ignoring winter safety led to serious consequences, emphasizing the importance of being prepared. I want to share a personal story with you. A few years ago, I went on a skiing trip with some friends to the mountains. We were having an amazing time, but one of my friends decided to take a shortcut down the mountain without checking the slope safety conditions. He ended up triggering an avalanche that almost cost him his life. It was a sobering experience that really drove home the importance of taking winter safety seriously and being prepared for emergencies. This incident could have been avoided if my friend had taken the necessary precautions and checked the slope's conditions before skiing. It's a harsh reminder that winter safety is not just about being careful. It's about being proactive and taking responsibility for your own safety. By being aware of the potential hazards and taking the right measures, you can prevent accidents like this from happening in the first place. I want to emphasize that winter safety is not just about avoiding accidents. It's about being prepared for emergencies when they do happen. Having a plan in place, knowing what to do in case of an avalanche or a heart attack, and being equipped with the right gear can make all the difference between life and death. Don't underestimate the power of being prepared. It can literally save your life. You will summarize the safety tips discussed and reinforce the idea that being proactive can prevent accidents and injuries during winter. By following these simple yet critical safety tips, you can have a fun and safe winter experience. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry, and being proactive is the key to staying safe during the cold months. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own winter safety tips in the comments below. If you're looking for more seasonal advice, be sure to check out my other videos for tips on how to stay safe and healthy during the winter season. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe, like, and comment.